Hello friends, welcome to my first episode of Portrait Tutorial series. In this series, we are gonna draw a portrait step by step. This specific series consists of 4 to 5 videos and each video is about 15 to 20 minutes. And today is the first episode of this series. In today's episode, we are gonna see how to draw outlines using grid method, and plus we are also going to draw the eyes. I am going to show you the best way to draw eyes. So make sure you watch the video till end. So let's start. So first, take a paper whose length is 38 and breadth is 28 centimeters. So now make grids of 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter each. Now after completing the grids, it is time to make outlines. But before making outlines, you must have your reference image with you. So the link for the reference image is available in the description box. You can download it from there. Okay, so let's start outlining. So just what you have to do is focus on a single box at a time and notice the intersection points between the outlines and grid lines and sketch the outlines for that particular box. So you just have to repeat the same process for each and every box on paper. Do it for each part separately and see how different parts of the images come in contact with the grid lines. You can also print the reference on A3 paper and measure the distances using ruler and then map them on your sketch. This is also one way to draw the outline. By the way, I am using mechanical pencil with HB lids. I just love using mechanical pencils. I generally create my outlines very light, so further while sketching it becomes easier for me to modify them according to my wish. Outlining is the most important part because if your outlines are accurate and nice, your 50% of your work is almost done. Grid method is one of the best methods to draw outlines. Obviously, you don't want to be 3 to 4 hours drawing and realize that you have drawn eyes and nose at wrong place. It will also improve your freehand outlining. You don't need to add much details to it, you just need to make the basic rough sketch. If you are doing for the first time, it won't be 100% accurate. But it's a reliable way to start making outlinings without having the fear of ruining the drawing. This process is basically same further. So further, you see how I draw the outlines. So finally, our outlines are complete and we are now ready to sketch. So grab your tools and let's get started. We will start off with left eyebrow. So first take an empty or used pen, and if you have indenting tool, you may take that as well. But if this tutorial is for beginners, I will be using used pen which every beginner can have. So add some strokes in the direction of eyebrows. This technique is very useful in drawing hairs or realistic skin texture. Now take neutral charcoal pencil to add a base layer, but if you don't have charcoal pencils then don't worry, you can take 2B graphite pencil for the same. Make sure that you add strokes in eyebrows direction. Now using a brush I am going to blend the strokes. Now I am again taking my neutral charcoal pencil and this time I am going to add some darker strokes, and if you are doing it in graphite then you may take 6B pencil for the same. Again blend the strokes using a brush. Now I am taking a fine tip eraser. The one which I have is an Apsara mechanical eraser available in the local market at just 20 rupees. But if you have mono zero eraser, you can use that as well. I will be using all basic art supplies material. So finally, using soft charcoal pencil, add a final layer of strokes. And if you don't have soft charcoal pencil, then you can use 10B pencil for the same. Now I am again blending the strokes using a brush. Again making some highlights. The highlights should be in the direction of eyebrows as well. Highlights are very important and key factor in making the sketch realistic. Do it slowly and calmly. Don't hurry in making highlights. You need to observe your reference image carefully to make perfect and accurate highlights. Now, after completing left eyebrow, I will be shading left eye. So first darken the outlines using a black pen. You can also use 10B pencil for the same. Now I am taking my soft charcoal pencil and I will completely fill the pupil and the upper portion of eyeball. If you don't have this, you can use 10B pencil. And now using neutral charcoal pencil, I will be completely filling the eyeball. You can use 6B pencil for the same in graphite. Now using blending stump, I will blend the strokes. Now using a fine tip eraser or in normal eraser, I will add some highlights. Now I am darkening outlines using a black pen. Now using a white gel pen, I will make highlights more brighter. Now I am taking my 10B pencil to make the outline of eye. Make sure the tip of your pencil is sharp. You need to create a very fine outline. Don't do hurry in making the outlines. Now using the same 10B pencil, I am adding some shade above the eyelid. And now using a blending stump, I will blend the strokes. Now, using the same blending stump, spread some graphite as I did. Now, using a 2B pencil, I am shading a base layer. Now, using blending stump, I will blend the base layer. You may also use cotton for it. Now, grab your 6B pencil and add some darker shade and blend it as well. Blending helps in creating smooth texture. Now, using some eraser, I am adding some highlights. Now I am using my 10B pencil to make eyelashes. Use the reference image for the same. Link is available in the description. You can download it from there. Do it slowly and take your time. Be slow and nice. Now, using same 10B pencil, I will shade the lower eyelashes. Now, I am blending the bottom portion of eyelashes. Again blending the lower eyelid using my blending stump and spreading some graphite. Now I am again darkening the eyelashes. You just have to repeat the process until you get the desired results. Now using my mechanical pencil, I am shading the white portion. And now using the blending stump, I will blend it. Don't use blending stump with pressure, just do it lightly. Now using a mechanical pencil, I am shading the top portion of eye. I have used mechanical pencil with HB leads. Now I am using cotton to blend the strokes well to get a smooth result. Now I have taken my 2B pencil and I will add one more layer on it. Shading layer by layer is always preferable. Always shade from light to dark. Start off with 2B pencil or HB pencil and shade until you get your desired results. Now using my 6B pencil, I will add one more layer on it. Try to use as much graphite as you can. Now using my fine tip eraser, I am adding some highlights. You can also use normal eraser here. Now finally taking my 10B pencil to add a final layer on it. Now I will be blending this as well. I'm darkening the corner of eye. Now darken the white portion little bit and the lower eyelid. Now I'm using my white gel pen to add white highlights. Now you just have to repeat the same whole process for the right eye as well. Start off with eyebrow using an indentation tool or empty pen and then shade the eye and your hyper realistic eyes will be ready. I have fast forwarded the video, otherwise video would have been too much lengthy. This method is best to draw any kind of eyes you want. You can use graphite pencils wherever I am using charcoal pencils. Instead of neutral charcoal pencil, use 2B or 6B, and instead of soft charcoal pencil, use 10B or 8B pencil. Always keep in mind shade from light to dark. So start off with 2B pencil or HB pencil and shade until you get your desired results. Carefully observe the reference image and shade according to that. It took me around 2 hours to draw these eyes. So this is it for the first episode. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep drawing.